Now watch me make it. Now watch me wait. Watch me it.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ay, sino na nga bubog na?
Wala ba kayong super teta?
Angelina.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nagdagal pa natin yan. Siyempre hindi kami pwedeng umuwi nang wala kami nakikilala mga lalaki. Lagi namin ito ginagawa talaga pa nag-abot kami. So alam ko maraming gwapo ngayon.
Yes.
So kailangan tayong maghanap ng mga lalaki magpapatibok ng ating mga So, ayan.
Napapapati mo lang aming mga bututo.
So, maghanap ako ng mga partner natin. Okay. Kailangan ano ha, yung mga gwapo yan ha. Ano tayo? Dali! Dito may... Ay, may gwapo naka-black. Ito!
Naka-black.
Oh, hi! Come here, baby! We're just going to have fun. No? Girlfriend mo ba yan? Ay, boyfriend mo ate? Asawa?
Okay, Angelina, gwapo.
Sige, let's go. It's okay. Come here. Don't worry. Yeah, it's just for fun. Let's go. Yeah. Come here. It's okay. Oh my God. Let's go, guys. Ayan. Oh my God. Ay, sasalang niyo. Just go there, okay? And you too.
Thank you.
Come here. Hi. Ay, oh my God. Dito rin may gwapo.
Excuse me, ate, ah.
Ay, ito. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Ang daming gwapo. Ang sasarap. Shoot, akin na. Hindi na ako yung pinas. Dito pa. Meron pa dito.
Kulang ba yan?
Oo, dalawa pa. Bisa ikaw ang sumasarang lalaki sa'yo. Pangit-pangit mo. Ano madali?
Ito si Sir. Gwapo to. Ganyan yan, Sir. Baka makilate, di ka naman gwapo.
Sabi mo gwapo na kayo, hindi gwapo ka. Yung asawa niya, ayaw pa ka ba? Sabi ng asawa niya, dito ka na.
At ako sa mga Angelina.
Ayun, ayun! There. On the side, there, over there.
Ayun, gwapo. Kami. Genji. Habulin mo muna na kami panty.
Oh my God! Ang sasarap. Ay, anyway, by the way, how young are you, baby? How young are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Ano daw?
Tanongin mo.
How young are you?
Are you a guy?
Ano yun? Baka minor kasi yan, bawal yan.
How young are you? Your age? I'm 22.
Actually, ito ako na. You speak English? Oh, that's good. Because we're going to have a hard time if you don't speak English because we don't speak German.
Yeah,
Okay?
you didn't speak Tagalog? No. Congratulations.
Okay. You're 22. I think you're the youngest. So let's arrange them according to their hair.
So, sir, nakita mo naman yung partner, ang kasama mo. So, sasali ka talaga, sir. Sabi na si sir, sasali daw siya. Eh, sabi ko, sir, bukas na yung wedding garnish mo.
Gaano ka, Tekla? Ikaw kumuha dito, nalalahilig ko sa asawa niya.
Sir, may oras ka ba, sir, para magpataw?
Lalaban niya, Pilipino yan, tama?
Lalaman talaga, sir. Lakas talaga ng loob niya, oh.
So, i-arrange natin lang siya according sa hair. The thicker, the better. Okay? So, sige sir, doon na tayo sa dulo. Alam niyo naman kayo yung pinaka-long hair dito. Come here, baby.
Sabi ko na sa'yo, sir, huwag kang umakyat, eh.
So, I think you will be the first one. Come here. Okay, you come in. You can, guys, you move in the front. Yeah.
You move your ass here.
Yeah. No, you will be the third. Come here. You'll be the second. Yeah, okay.
Oh my
With the
God.
third.
Ang ayos yan, no?
Okay, guys.
So, maglalaro tayo ng Find the Difference.
Spot kami break up. Palapakan muna natin sila lahat kasi wala silang arte. Pinalali muna na sila. Anyway,
Bago po tayo mag-umpisa, sigurado na po talaga kayo. So, okay lang, may laban tayo.
oo. Anyway, what's your name?
Christian.
Hi, Christian. Nice
Hi,
to meet you.
Christian. You look good together.
Wow, really?
Pag may katuluyan kayo, para kayong, alamat.
Like,
Si Malakas,
si maganda.
mas malakas.
Tumabi ka, mas bagay kayo. Ganyan. Tumabi ka. Oh, Happy Mother's Day, di ba?
Wow, makatawa ka sa malakas.
Hi, Christian. You're 22. And
May
you're...
kaibigan ako, Muslim siya, pero Christian yung pangalan niya.
You're still studying or you're working already?
I'm working in plumbing.
In?
Plumbing.
Flaming!
Fleming.
Tubero.
Ano?
Flaming.
Yeah, the...
Tubero.
Ano chibero?
Like in the flam, right?
Ano yung daplam? Fleming.
Yeah, flaming.
Siya yung gumagawa ng plema. Fleming.
Flaming. Ano yung flamenco?
Auntie? Ano auntie? Ano tayo siya auntie?
Okay, sige. Sumitin natin sa Germany, no? Diyos ko, kami mahaba po kami mag-chill dito.
Diba? Nag-enjoy kayo? Hindi namin kinipin yung oras namin.
Kahit sa
Sa
inyo,
totoo lang po.
kahit anong pagod namin, basta makita lang namin yung ngiti niyo, okay lang.
Yes, oo. Wala naman ito sa awa tayo.
Kaya yung mga hindi pa nagbigay kanina.
And we just want to prove yung aming producer na si Jeff na hindi po siya nagkamali sa pagkuha sa amin. Yun lang yun. Diba? Okay, para sa inyo talaga, alam namin yung ginastos niya dito at yung hindi niyo papasok sa trabaho. Kaya maraming maraming. Anyway, tuloy muna tayo. Hi, Christian!
Hi,
You're so
Christian.
good looking!
Yup.
Ano?
Ikaw ang pumasok dyan.
You're pure German, America. What's your nationality?
What are your blood?
No? What are your blood?
You have mixed blood?
Yes. Half German, half Hungarian.
Oh my God! Bakit ikaw? Really? Half German, half?
Hungarian.
Oh.
Ako me, half German, half kangaroo.
No! You're half Thai,
Half Egyptian.
Egyptian. So you are?
Thai.
You have a girlfriend?
Again,
You have a girlfriend? You're single.
I have a girlfriend here.
Yeah,
Is she
girlfriend.
around? She's there? Oh, she's not pretty.
Yeah.
She looks like a mother, you know that? Oh my God, why did you? Oh my God. Why not us? Really?
She's Filipina.
Filipina?
Oh, we're trias Filipino.
Yeah. Once you try Filipino, oh, you already say one thing.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah.
You wanna enter our bat cave? It's a joyful.
What's her name?
Chanel.
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 Is Chanel 7 or 2?
Siya na, magkano ba masabi ko sa inyo? Umuwi ka muna.
How long you been together?
8 months.
8 months. So I have a question.
What's your question?
Yeah, in the 8 months, what have you done so far? Did you move her?
How did you move her?
Kung nagalaw niya na.
Did you move it? Pinunak lang.
I repeat the question.
What?
In 8 months,
In 8 months.
did you tsunami the Bukit Island? In 8 months, did you enter the barangay hall? The grassy barangay hall.
We're just kidding, Christian, okay? So you love her.
Yes, I
Have you been to the Philippines?
No.
No, you must go to the Philippines.
Why?
Because you know Philippines is a very nice country.
Yeah.
I suggest you, when you go in the Philippines, you go to the most friendliest place in the Philippines.
Which is
You go to Patikul Sulu.
the friendliest.
Yes, the friendliest. The
Why?
Once they like you, they will never let you go. You keep your head as a souvenir. Have you been kidnapped before? Not yet? Don't worry, it's under process.
We're just kidding, Christian. But anyway, you're so good looking.
Yeah.
I like your eye. It's like a honey something color, you know? Yeah. And you know how to speak Tagalog words, something like that?
No.
I'm gonna teach you how to speak like when you want to say I love you to your girlfriend, you will say chu.
True. Bongo. That's meant to say you love her so much.
Yeah, that's right. So later you kiss her, then you tell that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Chupa.
Yeah. Girl, ready ka?
Sabi ni her, yes.
Yeah, this is it. Anyway, thank you, Christian. Nice meeting you. You're so good looking. Okay, you stay there. And we have our, oh my God, another good looking guy. Hi, what's your name?
Hayo. Hayo.
Hayo. Hayo.
Hi. Hi, Filipino.
Ah, Filipino ha?
Up. Gago to ah. Mga Pilipino ang Bisaya.
On. Filipino ha?
Wapo ka sana kasumukha.
German. Ang gwapo niya.
Oo.
Ang sarap. Your wife is
Your
there,
wife.
right?
So how's life after that?
Ano housewife? Hindi housewife after that. Your wife is there. Hi, nice meeting you. Ayo. Yeah, you're good. Ay, alam mo nga ako.
Ay, sabay.
Kunyeta sa kanila ko namin. Kung wala ito.
Pagdating pa namin yan, itutupa ko pamilya ko talaga.
What? How young are you, if you don't mind?
I'm 38.
38.
You are 30. Oh my, really? You look like
37. Gago. And it's 30 today.
you only look something like 28 or 29. You look young on your face. Yeah. What do you do here? You're working?
I'm working in a warehouse.
Warehouse. You are in your house. Where is your house? Warehouse.
Anywhere.
What do you do there?
I don't know how to tell.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Just calm down, okay? It's not that. Just calm down, maybe.
We'll accommodate you, okay?
Yeah. Whatever we touch or try to,
Yeah,
we
we
will
will
pay.
have to pay.
Okay? Yeah. Whatever it's that, yeah, we're gonna pay for that.
Okay, look at his pants.
What?
It is original.
Yeah, I think the dance is
You know
original.
what? The linings is good. Just take it. No, I'm just explaining now. This pants is very original.
Yeah.
And the lining.
No, we're just kidding.
Gusto ko yung lining.
Oh,
You know what?
wait. You have kids already?
Yep. No?
Yeah.
Not yet.
How long have you been together?
12 years.
2 years? No kids? Oh my God! Ate ba kasi ng butas mo na mapasok? Ate ba kayo matalik sa madaling araw, ha? Kasi ihi ang mamalabas ka.
No, but she's pretty. Yeah, and you're good looking. Yeah, I like your eyes and your nose. Everything
Yeah.
you look.
I have a question. Do you have experience like us? Today is your lucky day. Do you want to see your father?
Pumunta ko, Ben. What's her name? Your wife?
Lady.
Lady. Oh, yeah, because she's a
Lady, yeah. She's a lady guard.
Anyway, hi you. Thank you so much for joining us here.
Yeah,
You're so
thank you.
good looking, okay? Mas, alam mo talaga pag yung pagka-good Pilipino, mas marami. Iba yung ano, no? Ganun yung
Tama.
mga niya. You can be an artist in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can be, PBB house. Yeah, warehouse. Yeah. PBB warehouse.
Warehouse edition.
you. Ate, ingat ka, girl.
Ate, huwag ka magalala, palilibugin lang namin. Ikaw naman titirahin mamaya.
Wow, sa'yo mo talaga malilibugan? Anyway, we have another guy. Hey, come here. So, hi. Hi. Nice meeting you. What's your name? Alex. Hi, Alex. Hi.
Sa gitna.
Hoy. Paborin na, no? How old are you?
Can you move her?
Ano kinahin here?
Dalawin ka yan.
How old are you? 32. 32. You are?
You are mine. You are mine.
No, I mean, you're German?
No, I'm Romanian.
Romanian!
What room?
Half Filipino, half Filipino.
That's good. Come here. What's your favorite color? What's your zodiac sign? Zodiac sign.
Scorpio.
Scorpio! Oh my God!
We're compatible.
Bakit?
I'm Cancer.
Cancer.
You are?
Cockroach.
That's nice. I like your eyes. It's so charming, expressive, and your nose is nice too.
Yeah.
It's real.
Pwede ka magpatustos sa ilongin mo.
Yeah. Your nose is so real. Like
Your nose is
chisel.
Chisel.
You are?
Hammer. Your nose is
Pointed.
Me? Disappointed.
Anyway, that's nice. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Alex.
Sir, wala.
Hindi pera kayo. Single siya.
Papayag, huwag kayo maingay. Papayag na eh. Isang manunit na
Again,
nalimugan
again.
ako.
More!
Relax, okay? Yeah. Kamukha niya si no? Parang Matteo Guidocelli.
Oo.
Na may pagka-Sara Geronimo.
May mommy divine.
Thank you. Stay there, okay? Yeah, just come here, okay? Yeah, okay? Ayan, Pinoy naman tayo. Hi! Kumusta ka naman?
Senator, sandali lang, Senator.
Ano name mo?
John.
Don!
John.
John.
Ani Don John.
Ilan taon ka na dyan?
34.
34 ka na dyan. Dito, ilan taon ka? 34. Anong trabaho mo? Ang ganda ng katawan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Nagpipils ka ba?
Nag-wage. Ang ganda ng dibdib niya, guys.
Are you a lactating mom?
Nag-gym ka na. Ganda. Oh my God, can I see? Hindi na yun. Again. Oh my God, ang sarap. Oh my God. Oh my. Ang ganda ng katawan. Ang sarap.
Wala ka
Ano
na.
may work ka dito? Ano po?
Nurse ka, so hindi ka takot sa germs.
Sa virus, hindi siya takot.
Wala si Sir umaasa.
Nurse ka? Okay. Matagal na?
7 years.
May partner ka, may girlfriend, asawa na. Talaga? Matagal na kayo?
10 years.
10 years.
Buti pa kayo.
Mag-iwalay din yan.
Sa bagay.
Nanay, tatay ko nga, 35 years, nag-iwalay ko.
Bakit away?
Wala, namatay yung nanay ko eh.
Tama iba yun.
Gaga!
Ganda ng katawan niya.
Saka ang tambok ng...
Tsaka malinis siya. Makinis na ano. Yun ang isa.
Ang linis ng singit. No?
Yeah. Kasi nga nurse.
Nurse.
Oo.
So, may naging jowa kong nurse.
Oh.
Bago kami mag-make club, ini-sterilize niya yung puto-tuloy ko.
Tanduayos na wala.
Sige, tsaka mo na dyan. Ang cute niya. Ayan na, ikaw nakamusap kay sir. Ayusin ko na yung sound. Wait lang.
Dumitaan ka naman, kinawas.
Ayusin ko na yung sa sound.
O, sabi mo si sir! Tarantado ka. Yan, musta po? Alam mo ang maramdaman kay Sisi ngayon?
Aray ka po, Rudy.
Sige. Dumita ako, sabi mo.
O sabi mo, inayos ko nga kumita.
Anong ganap mo dito, sir? Trabaho lang?
Trabaho lang. Walang personalan.
Oo, matapos. Ay, asawa mo yung kasama mo? Okay. May anak ba kayo? Ilan po? Sa inyo lahat yan.
Good question.
Si Sir, naman sa Diyo. Biro lang yun, sir, ha? Pero sa'yo, sir, nagkatotoo ka si Sir.
Ay, sabi mo si sir.
Kinausap ko na.
Taga saan po kayo?
Taga saan tayo sa Pinas, sir? Huwag naman tayo lumayo sa kanya. Usok tayo dito, sir.
Taga saan po kayo, sir?
Sa Ramstein. Dito sa Manila.
Ramstein. Ganyan talaga siya.
Frankenstein.
Anong trabaho niya?
Bago ka din.
Retired na.
Oh, mapera yan, te. Retire.
Anong work niyo po before?
Army.
Punta ka, army ka.
Ano?
Sir, upo na mo tayo, sir. Army pala po tayo.
Ano, tekla?
Alam mo, kurang tayo talaga, sir. Kurang po kayong polis. Kaya pala kinakaman, sir. Hindi mo naman siya. Hindi ka kasi, sir, eh.
Hindi.
Binastos mo na iba.
Sige na, dito lang naman tayo, sir. Biro-biroan mo.
Ano, tekla?
Kaya dito po sa, sa Germany?
Pinawisan.
Sa US.
US siya.
Punta ka US Army po. Sir. O bakit? Di ako takot sa mga pulis, no?
Bakit?
Tatay kong kriminal.
May laban, may laban. Okay, of course. Alam naman ni sir, binibiro natin siya, tsaka game na naman po dito.
Retired ako.
Pero,
Ba't dito mo kayo nag-retire sa Germany? Di po sa US.
No, dito na ang station.
Matapos mo muna.
Sige.
Ang cute ni Sir Ron salita.
eh, nandiyan ako na.
German si Mrs.
Ah,
Germany! Ang lahi niya.
ano ba? Pilipinas siya.
Okay.
Kaso dito siya sa Germany nag-stay na rin yan. Ilan po ang anak niyo, sir, dito?
55.
Ma'am, kilala niyo po yun.
Kailangan ka na lang pukin niyo, ma. 55.
Ma'am, every hour po kayo nanganganak. Ginawa ko yun naman po yung asawa niyo, 55 yung anak niyo. Pagkapanganak, tihatan. Eh, nakabuka ulit, tira na. Ay, naku, sir, sarap mong kausap. Natutuwa po ako sa inyo. Salamat po, nandito kayo, ha? Sige, ganito na po. Napakadali po na gagawin natin. Kinamusta naman natin sila, talent portion na tayo.
Okay, go.
Okay, everyone, you will do a TikTok dance together with us. Okay? It's like, it's something like this. You just
Okay.
need to follow us.
Okay,
Okay?
go. Music.
Everyone, you follow us, ha? Okay. The best guy who will do the kaldang will be the winner.
Jet.
Okay? So you will do it, the best that you can do. Okay? And you will need to pick a partner.
Here at SM.
Grocery?
We got it. We got it.
Question na. Okay, you need to pick a partner. It's either me or Tekla. Who you would like
Who
to
will be your partner?
be a partner?
Tekla.
Tekla, sit down. Okay. Okay, you go there in your place.
Katapusan ko na.
Just that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. You don't like? Oh, you don't like.
Good time? Okay. You sit there.
And we will be dancing for you. Who would you like to be your partner? Tekla or me? Me.
You don't like me, right?
Music.
Matalino.
Go, Rodelio. Galing.
Thank you so much! Palapakan naman natin. Ito yung sarap natin.
It's your turn.
I like it, baby. Thank you. It's your turn. Who would you like to be a partner? Not yet. And 1, 2, 3.
Wala na. Nanglambot ka na ng sinulita.
Pwede ba hanggang 1 o'clock tayo ng gabi? Okay ba? Walang uwian? Okay lang ba?
Yes!
Sige, takay mo bigyan kita extra ha. You, who would you like to be a partner?
Ako.
Tekla.
Ngalay ko.
Hindi ko po. Music! One, two, three. One, two, three.
Ang dumi-dumi ko. Okay na, sister. Except na si
Okay lang, sir. Okay lang. Palapakan natin si sir.
Kaya dahil army yan eh.
Tama ka rin, no? Sir, ganito po. Ayun po ang judge kung sino ang panalo, ha? 2, 3, 4. Pero lahat sila palapakan natin ng bongga. Everyone, thank you, Christian. Thank you so much. You take care of your girlfriend, okay? Thank you. You take care of your wife, okay? Thank you so much. You take care of me. And congratulations ang winner dyan. Thank you. So, i-award natin na prize. Kukunin mo ba ito? Siyempre, sana
Bakit wala kami nakita ganito?